Hi everyone, this is Dirk. Today I'm making a short and sweet unboxing video of the ASUS TUF Gaming Radeon RX 6800 16GB graphics card. I felt that I needed a new project, so I bought a bunch of computer parts in order to build me a new PC. And I'm going to make a video about this shortly. I'm very happy that I got this graphics card for retail because I refuse to pay scalpers and people who are exploiting the market, using bots, buying up everything and then just adding 50 to 100% premium and reselling the cards. So I enjoy the hunt, and yes, I got this card for $999 and I'm very happy about it. It is a very heavy, solid build, good looking card. It looks like ASUS has put a lot of thoughts into cooling, which is important, and that's why this card is so thick. In fact, it is so thick that there's not enough room on the motherboard to add a second card underneath. Like I said, I'll use this card in my next video as a part of my PC build. Well, that was pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed my little video. Thanks so much for watching, and please tune in soon again. And if you liked it, leave a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button.